In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a sheet in Google Sheets on desktop. Whether you're cleaning up your data or simply trying to organize your workbook, understanding how to manage your sheets efficiently is key. So, let's dive right into it with a simple walkthrough. First, you'll want to open your Google Sheet. You'll find the specific sheet you want to delete by looking at the bottom of your window. Here, you'll see a row of tabs, each one representing a different sheet in your workbook. These tabs are crucial for navigating between sheets and managing your data effectively. You can think of them as the chapters within your book of spreadsheets. Once you've located the tab of the sheet you wish to remove, right-click on it. This action will bring up a context menu. It's important to right-click on the exact tab to ensure you're interacting with the correct sheet. Right-clicking might feel unusual if you usually use the settings or other toolbar options, but the context menu is a quick and efficient way to access sheet-specific actions. In the context menu that appears after right-clicking, look for the option that says Delete. Selecting this option is your next step toward removing the sheet. This menu might seem overwhelming at first due to the variety of actions listed, but don't worry, it's all about practice. With frequent use, you'll navigate these menus with ease. Now, after selecting Delete, a prompt might appear asking for confirmation. This is a safety feature designed to prevent accidental deletions. Take a moment here to double-check that you're deleting the correct sheet. It's better to be safe than to lose valuable data due to a simple misclick. Click to confirm the deletion if you're certain this is the sheet you want to remove. After you've confirmed, the sheet will be permanently removed from your spreadsheet. Be aware that once a sheet is deleted, it's not possible to retrieve it unless you have a prior version saved. So it's always a good practice to make sure you have backups of important data. Google often automatically saves previous versions of your document, so exploring version history is savvy advice for such situations. And just like that, the sheet is removed. This simplicity is one of the reasons many users find Google Sheets to be an intuitive platform for managing spreadsheet projects. Remember, mastering these fundamental tasks lays a strong foundation for more complex data management operations you'll undertake in the future. The next time you find yourself needing to remove a sheet, you'll be equipped with the know-how to swiftly carry out the task without hesitation. Thank you for joining me today as we tackled this small but essential step in data management. Until next time, happy spreadsheet editing.